Hello everyone, my name is Priyadarshini Agarwal and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with something interesting, which is a game which you can play with your groups, whether be it like the boys group, girls group, or it is of different age groups when we are in the house parties or in Shadi Sangeet. We want to have some entertainment, add some smiles, and some enthusiasm to the group. So we have a perfect game, and this one is a trending game nowadays where we have to play some Bollywood music. We all love Bollywood music. Living in India, we know them. So we have grown from it. So Bollywood music will be played, whether be it 90s age or of the latest one. Bollywood music has some props inside associated with it, and we have them stacked for you. So you have to make the players come round by round in the pair of two, one on the either side of the table and other in the other side of table, and play the music. So when the music plays in the table, there will be a various like items placed on it, whether the props are something associated with the spectacles, watch. 20 to 25 items you have to be scattered and placed on it, and the two opponents, the whoever gets it with the clicking of the music, or the with the time being, they are winning it. Okay, so if you like the game, there's a list which I have prepared, and there I share with you the list, sharing my screen. Yeah, let me d- share my entire screen. There you go. I hope you will like this. This is a fantastic game in your any. I hope you do play it with your friends and family. The 80 Bollywood songs to play with props challenge is here. I will read them out loud and you can just download it in your playlist, whether in any apps, whichever of songs you like. You download it and make a playlist and make sure you make them play in your any group or any trip or any function to add more energy into and love and life and smile on the faces. The first one is Kala Chashma song, which is have to get the props. Props are the something like which is the items, something which is available from your household. Get them like the goggles, the patta, bow, cup, pile, the patta, water, rose, ski, nimbu. Get a hold of 20 to 25 items and make sure you add variety to the games. And I have given you 80 Bollywood songs, which goes with the props here. Reading out them loud. First is Kala Chashma goggles. Second is Lal Dupatta. You have to get a dupatta. Third is Kitabe Bahut Si. Get a book. Garam chai ki pyali ho. Cup. Maine payal hai chankai. Get a pile. Pile a necessary which a girl wears on her legs. Yes. Chunari chunari. Dupatta again. Blue hai pani pani. Water. Akhiya gulab kiya. Rose. So you can get one item which goes with two, three songs. Yeah. The patta goes with Lal Dupatta also. Chunari chunari also. अखियां गुलाब किया गेट अ रोज बाहर से कोई अंदर न आ सके की निमुड़ा निमुड़ा नींबू बड़ो लोकेर बीटी. It's like a flower. Flower, rose, you can go for one also. Like get a flower which acts as a rose also. So two in one. You can be smart, and if you don't have the different items, you can just do that. Okay, so Chandu ki chacha ne spoon. The more specific, the more better the game will be played, and people will love the energy, will love the song, and they love the vibe, and love the whole thing. Phoolo ka taru ka flower, high jhumka, earrings, Jamal Jamal, the famous song from Animal, Glass. What is your mobile number? It's a mobile. Chunni de rang de naria. You have to get a chunni. Coca-Cola too. Coca-Cola. High heels de nachi. Heels. जलते हैं जब प्यार में दिए. Get a दिया. Miss call से, फेविकॉल से. Fevicol say, right? You have to get a Fevicol. Kal ho na ho. Watch. Moho mo ke dhage. Dhage. It's like the sui and dhaga, like dhaga. Resham ka rumal. Handkerchief. Ladki ki kathi. Sorry. Lakdi ki kathi. It's like a hatoda you have to get. मेरे हाथों में नौ चूड़ियां. Get a चूड़ियास. हम तुम एक कमरे में. Key. Made in India. It's a map. Chand Balia, earring. It's dance pasanti, heels. Care ni karta, time. Sari ka fall, get a sari. Namak ek shika, namak. Then नीचे फूलों की दुकान ऊपर गोरी का मकान फ्लावर तू लगावे जूल जब लिपस्टिक गेट अ लिपस्टिक प्रॉपर पटोला सूट जादू तेरी नजर परफ्यूम बेबी डॉल डॉल पानी पानी हो गई वाटर जाए जाए एक बार जो जाए जवानी towel love is a waste of time watch chocolate lime juice toffee a famous song from हम आपके है कौन गेट अ चॉकलेट दिल पे रख के मुंह पर मेकअप कर लिया मेकअप प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ अम्ब्रेला कोरा कोरा कागज था मन मेरा ब्लैंक शीट बदतमीज दिल गेट अ कटोरा अ कटोरी और अ कप कंगना तेरा नी बैंगल्स क्यों पैसा पैसा करती है मनी चीनी कम है शुगर लिखे जो खत तुम्हें गेट अ एनवेलप गुलाबो जरा इतर फैला दो गेट अ परफ्यूम इतर इज परफ्यूम सर पे टोपी लाल हैट झुमका गिरा रे इयररिंग्स तूने मारी एंट्री बेल जरा तस्वीर से निकल के सामने आ फोटो फ्रेम चने के खेत में चना दिल का टेलीफोन टेलीफोन मैं तेरे पाँव की जूती ना सैंडल शीशा हो या दिल इट्स अ मिरर लंबरगिनी चलाई कॉइन्स ले लो पैसा यार मोड़ दो मनी मोरनी बन के मोर पंख it's like something which you get from Lord Krishna's association. मेहंदी लगा के रखना मेहंदी जूते लो पैसे दो money long de lashkara get a cloth do me a favor let's play holy colors बाजरे दा सिट्टा बाजरा घुंघरू टूट गए बाजरा पैकेट you can get घुंघरू टूट गए it's पायल गुलाबी साड़ी मोरनी बागा में मोर पंख yes मोर पंख again you can use it for this also and for that also तेरी आँखिया का जो काजल long with इलायची get a clove or cardamom select one so that your contestants are not getting confused what you fixed that should be picked only पर्दे में रहने दो कर्टन उफ उफ मिर्ची मिर्ची तू खींच मेरी फोटो पिया get a photo तू ले लो ले तू जो लाने मैंने झुमके like earrings झुमका is earrings ओम शांति ओम स्टार मैं देखा तेरी फोटो सौ बार उड़े फोटो वाह टमाटर बड़े मजेदार टमाटर इट्स लाइक टोमेटो जब तक रहेगा समोसे में आलू तेरा रहूंगा मैं तेरी शालू इट्स लाइक अ पोटैटो डोला रे डोला बैंगल्स and voila you will just Play this game, have fun with your guys, and do let me know how you enjoyed it. Bye bye. See you, my guys.